Hello, my friends. Hope you're fine and doing well. Welcome to the Department of Dialogue. Today, we want to go to a shoe store to learn how to buy a pair of shoes in French language. So, let's enjoy this beautiful day together. And please, do not forget to support me by sharing and subscribing.
Bonjour madame, je peux vous aider?
Est-ce que je peux essayer les chaussures qui sont dans la vitrine?
Oui madame, quelle pointure faites-vous?
Je fais du 36.
A few moments later.
Voilà, alors ça va?
Non, c'est trop grand. Est-ce que vous avez le même modèle en 34?
Non, désolé, mais j'ai un autre modèle dans le même style. Vous voulez essayer?
Oui, pourquoi pas?
A few moments later.
Alors ça vous plaît?
Oui, je le prends.
Okay, my friends, to master this dialogue, first we need to understand all new words. Let's do it. Let's start with our new words. The first one is les chaussures, which means the shoes, des chaussures, which means some shoes. Next one, la vitrine, which means the showcase, une vitrine, which means a showcase. La pointure, which means the shoe size, une pointure, a shoe size. Grand, which means big. Le modèle, which means the model. Un modèle, which means a model. Le même or la même. They both means the same, but the first one is used for male nouns and the second one is used for female nouns. Okay, new words learned. Now it's time for our new tools. By new tools, I mean new expressions of this dialogue. Let's do it. Our new tools. Let's start. Est-ce que je peux essayer? Est-ce que je peux essayer? Which means, can I try? Now let's check a few examples together to understand how to use this tool in action. Est-ce que je peux essayer cette chemise? Est-ce que je peux essayer cette jupe? Est-ce que je peux essayer les chaussures? Est-ce que vous avez? Est-ce que vous avez? Which means, do you have? A few examples. Est-ce que vous avez la même pointure? Guys, as you can see, in this example, I used la même. That is because the word pointure, which means the shoe size, is a female noun. So I used la même instead of le même. Next example. Est-ce que vous avez le même modèle en 34? J'ai un autre. Or, j'ai une autre. Together, j'ai un autre or j'ai une autre. They both means I have another. Well, we use un autre when there is a male noun after that, and we use une autre when there is a female noun after that. Let's check the examples together. J'ai une autre voiture dans le garage. As you can see, I used une autre because the word voiture, which means car, is a female noun. Next example. J'ai un autre modèle dans le même style. I used un autre because the word modèle is a male noun.
Bonjour madame, je peux vous aider?
Est-ce que je peux essayer les chaussures qui sont dans la vitrine?
Oui madame, quelle pointure faites-vous?
Je fais du 36.
A few moments later.
Voilà, alors ça va?
Non, c'est trop grand. Est-ce que vous avez le même modèle en 34?
Non, désolé, mais j'ai un autre modèle dans le même style. Vous voulez essayer?
Oui, pourquoi pas?
A few moments later.
Alors ça vous plaît?
Oui, je le prends.
So, today in this dialogue, we heard that the woman said
Non, c'est trop grand.
grand, which means big. But what about small, fat, tiny, huge? That is what we want to learn right now. Before we start, remember that all these words are adjectives, so they all match by gender and number with the noun they modify. No, God! All right, come on. Let's start. The first one is grand, male form, grande, female form, which means big. Petit, male form, petite, female form, which means small. Gros, male form, grosse, female form, which means fat, big in terms of volume and weight. Long, the male form, longue, the female form, which means long. Court, male form, courte, female form, which means short. Énorme, the male form, and once again, énorme, also female form. It means huge. The male form and the female form are the same for this adjective. And the last one is minuscule, the male form, minuscule, the female form. As you can see, male and female have the same form. It means tiny. Okay, my friends, now it's time for a short conversation between you and I. I go first. I'm gonna start the conversation with hello, sir, hello, madam. I would say bonjour, monsieur, bonjour, madame. Now it's your turn. Please answer me with hello, sir. Can I try the shoes that are in the showcase? We would say bonjour, monsieur. Est-ce que je peux essayer les chaussures qui sont dans la vitrine? Great. Now it's my turn. I'm gonna say, of course. What is your shoe size? I would say, bien sûr. Quelle pointure faites-vous? Good. Now it's your turn. Please answer me with, I am 36 or my size is 36. Exactly. Je fais du 36. Good. Once again, it's my turn. I'm gonna say, the fitting rooms are at the end of the store on the right. I would say, les cabines sont au fond à droite. Good. Now it's your turn. Please answer me with, do you have the same model in 34? Est-ce que vous avez le même modèle en 34? Good. Now, I'm going to answer with no, sorry. I would say no, désolé. That was great, guys. Okay, my friends, thanks for watching and I hope you liked this episode. Please do not forget to support me by sharing and subscribing. If you want to learn how to buy clothes in French language, this video is for you. Thanks a lot and I will see you next time.